carrying a heavy load. From Austin city lights to El Paso's desert sun, I'm a troubadour of the highways where the blues begun. Oh, this highway blues is in my soul. From Amarillo to San Antonio, I roll through the heart of Texas where the stories unfold. I'm a blues man in my ring, my story untold. Through the valleys of the Rio Grande to the Gulf Coast sway, I carry my dreams like a song on the highway. In my acoustic blues, beneath the lone star sky, I find solace in the rhythm as the miles fly by. Oh, this highway blues is in my soul. From Amarillo to San Antonio, I roll through the heart of Texas where the stories unfold. I'm a blues man in my rig, my story untold. In the fields of cotton and the plains so wide, I'm a wandering spirit with the road as my guide. Through the night so lonesome and the day so long, I sing a blues